provides software as a service solution that can be used for online certification. Basically, what that means is that it is an online system where you can administer and deliver online tests and exams. It's used by corporations, educational institutions, non-profit organizations, tutoring centers, etc. It can also be customized, so it looks like your website, and you can have a link from your website so that end users can apply, can register on this particular application and then get access to these tests. Now, how can it be used? It can be used for employee certification. It can be used for certifying your partners. It can be used for certifying your agents. It can be used for certifying your sales folks who are out in the field. It can be used for keeping track of continuing education credits. And there are other creative ways that it can be used as well. One of which we have seen is at the end of a live training class, you want to give your attendees the ability to go in and take a test so you get some feedback in terms of how well they've learned the material that you taught them in the stand-up live training session. So the application for the Technique Certifier depends entirely on your business and your requirement. Essentially, it is an online system where you can deliver timed exams. So let me quickly give you an overview of some of the features. The system works off of a question pool, so you can share these questions across multiple exams, and should you need to edit one of these questions, the updated question will automatically show up in all the exams. You can have timed exams, you can have different kinds of question types, you can also control the number of attempts, you can even have randomization of the questions so that all the questions do not appear in the exact same order for all quiz takers. You can manage registrations in the sense that you can register your end users for these training sessions, or sorry, for these exams, or you can have it on a self-service model. You can even charge for your exams so that end users can come and purchase these tests using their credit card. And the system also comes with a host of reporting capabilities, so you can report on specific exams, you can report on questions, and a whole slew of other very relevant data with regard to how your tests are being used by your end users. This is just a quick overview of what the user interface looks like. It's fairly simple, as you can see here. There's a timing that displays on the top left. There's a forward and next button, and then the users can submit their answers, and then the next question would show up. Lastly, and most importantly, don't take this my word or this presentation. You can actually register on the website and get a 30-day access to the system, so you get a first-hand experience of how the system works, and hopefully that will give you a better idea as to how the system actually works than this presentation. So just to summarize, the Technique Certifier is an online system for delivering exams. It can be used for employee certification, partner certification, can be used for partner tests, it can be used for agent certification, it can be used for continuing education credits, and also other creative ways. So feel free to test drive the system, and do let us know if you have any questions with regard to the system or any other information that you might need regarding the Technique Certifier. Once again, thank you for listening.